Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is an English project, and I am bringing the theme about computer hardware. So let's go straight to this question. My name is Christian Adi Pratama. I am study program software engineering in Binasarana Informatika University. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical component of an electronic device. This includes all parts that can be touched and seen. Hardware is also divided into four categories: input, output, processing, and storage device. Example of input hardware: keyboard. The keyboard has the function of entering text and numbers, navigation system, counter, component, and shortcut. Mouse. The mouse has the function of moving the cursor, scrolling the page, selecting object. Microphone. Microphone function to transmit sound, record sound, and amplify sound in PA system. Webcam. The webcam function for video conferencing and streaming. Scanner. The main function of a scanner is to read, scan, and convert document or physical object into digital data. Example of output hardware: monitor. The monitor function to display image in the computing process in computer operating system. Printer. The printer function to print document, print photos, print receipt. Speaker. The speaker function to send electrical signal into sound waves that can be heard by the ear. Headset. The function of the headset is for two-way communication is combines output and input. Example of processing hardware: processor. The processor function to process data and execute command from software. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board inside a computer that provides the physical connection between the various components. RAM. RAM is type of memory used to temporarily store data needed by the CPU. VGA. VGA function to process and display image from the computer to the monitor screen. Example of storage hardware: hard disk. The hard disk function to store software data, backup data, and store database. SSD function to store data faster and run games faster. Flash disk. The function of a flash disk is to store, backup, and transfer data. SD card. SD card function to increase storage capacity, transfer data, and storage media more efficiently because they are physically small. Conclusion: all hardware devices have their own function which make the computer system run smoothly. This is the second topic, namely software and operating system. Software is collection of data, instruction, or program that are stored and formatted digitally without a physical form, the function of which is to run a program on a computer. Type of software: there are several types of software, namely application software, program software, and operation system software. Application software: word processing application program, Microsoft Word, WordPress, Notepad, VPS Office. Number processing application program, Microsoft Excel, VPS Spreadsheet, OpenOffice. Database program, Microsoft Access, Oracle, 10G, IBM DB, 2 MongoDB, Microsoft SQL Server. Graphic design programmer, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Inkscape. Multimedia program, Windows Media Player, Adobe Flash, GOM Player, VLC. Programming software. Programming software is software that is used to develop other software, including system software and application software. Example: VS Code, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Eclipse. Operating system software. This software also plays a role in managing the overall computer system. Therefore, this software will coordinate hardware performance with the computer program you're running. Example: Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Conclusion. In conclusion, software and operating system are independent. The operating system manages the hardware and runs software, while software helps a user perform various tasks, both work together to ensure optimal computer performance. Thank you.